My husband got angry with me while we were eating. He said I'm disrespecting him by collecting meat from the soup to eat first
Like, I
before
really
him.
don't understand this whole
Who made the
thing.
rule? Because I don't understand. Who said it must be the man first in everything? Like, who said that? Who fucking said that? I
You
don't
guys should help
understand,
me
guys.
because at this point I'm very, very confused
Even
and I
when the
need.
meat in the soup is very enough for both of us. I don't know why.
And the funny thing about the whole thing is how serious he was. Like, he was really very,
Just
very
look.
serious about the
Just
whole
just
thing.
watch. Just look at him. Did you say that? Can you just imagine? Like seriously, this man is mean though. Like I don't understand. Men and ego. Hey God, man, who did this to you
Do you
guys?
know I
Who did
purposely did
this?
it the second time? Let me know if he
And look
was
at me
playing
laughing like a
and he
fool. Why
still
am I even
repeated the
laughing? I'm
same
supposed to
thing.
be
Like,
very angry, but
I
look at
don't
me
really
laughing.
understand, guys.